Black helicopters, silent, unmarked, and always appearing at the scene of the unexplained. Are they a figment of conspiracy theories? Or is there a darker truth behind their shadowy presence? Hello, my lovely friends, and welcome to Allegedly Strange Tales. This is Freaky Friday, where we dive into the most chilling, mysterious, and unexplained phenomena that the world has to offer. Today, we are exploring a topic that has fascinated conspiracy theorists and paranormal enthusiasts for decades: the mystery of black helicopters. Are they tools of secret government surveillance or sentinels of a shadowy new world order? Or are they something more sinister? So grab yourself a cuppa and some popcorn and let's dive in. Okay, for those of you that don't know, I'm going to explain what black helicopters are. They are unmarked and completely quiet. Here are some black helicopter stories. In the Mothman sightings, which was in 1966 and 67, witnesses reported seeing black helicopters in the area. Cattle mutilations in the Southwest, where ranchers in New Mexico and Colorado have reported black helicopters hovering before discovering that their livestock were dead. The Skinwalker Ranch, black helicopters have been sighted coinciding with UFOs or strange lights in the sky. The Phoenix Lights incident. After this UFO event, many witnesses claimed to see black helicopters. So let's dive in, and we're going to clear the air, and ask for protection for this reading. I don't want to have some black helicopters coming over my house just because. So we're asking for protection. We're asking Archangel Michael and all the archangels to surround us with protection and during this reading. So we're going to use the Starman Tarot for this, because it's my favorite one to use for these type of readings. And we are going to ask, what is with the black helicopters, please? So what is the mystery? What are the mysteries behind the black helicopter phenomena, I guess you could say, where they show up when some kind of weirdness has happened? So what is the story behind the black helicopters, please? Can you enlighten us, please? Okay, let's go. Okay, I usually use 6 cards for this. I have to keep checking the camera. Okay, let's see. Is that... Okay. Let's ask here. What is the true origin? What is the true origin of the black helicopter sightings? Now remember, this has been going on for decades. So what is the true origin of black helicopter sightings, please? The Two of Wands. I'm trying to look at that. because there is a lot going on there. Can you see? Okay, the Two of Wands. That is like planning or across the world. I wonder if this is... Okay, this could be, planned by a big government agency or whatever. The black helicopters. Because the Two of Wands is like a planning card. In the tarot, in the Rider-Waite tarot, this person usually is standing between the wands, like in sort of like a gateway, and they are holding a globe, usually. Can you see that? I've got my camera up higher so you can see easier, but I'm having to keep standing up there. So okay, so this would be, I wonder if this would be like across the globe, but look at that. Now I try to look at all of the things across the card there. Somebody is using it for surveillance. That's what I would say. You see that face? And actually the Starman Tarot is after David Bowie, is a tribute to David Bowie, so it looks like David Bowie's face looking in from the stars. So okay, so what is the true origin of the black helicopter sightings? I'm just going to say, I think it is surveillance, but let's just go on to the next one. Are black helicopters connected to UFO phenomena, please? The Starman. Wow. The Starman is... That would be the magician, and this is upright, but look, it's called the Starman. And I would say yes, it is connected to UFO phenomena. That's crazy. That is the Starman itself, and UFOs would be Starman, wouldn't it? So okay, who or what operates these helicopters? Yeah, I mean, so we said it could be a surveillance. It's connected to UFO phenomena. So who or what operates these helicopters? Who or what operates these helicopters? The Six of Pentacles. Now that's kind of odd about the Six of Pentacles, because that would be, okay, basically the Six of Pentacles is like a give and take, card. It's like a charitable card, somebody handing out like pentacles to this one and not as much to that one, but let's see. I did ask who or what operates these helicopters. Let's see if we can kind of look. Sorry, I'm trying to look at the card at the same time here, and let's see who or what operates these. And look at that as well. There's like a little teepee out there. And this, I wonder if that'd be like Area 51, kind of like, it's out in the desert, I wonder if they come from Area 51, or some sort of crazy place like that, secretive place like that. Okay, what is their purpose? Surveillance, intimidation, or something else? Now, I did say that looks like surveillance to me, but let's just ask the proper question. What is the purpose? Is it surveillance, or is it intimidation, Or could it be like something else? Okay, let's ask. Surveillance or intimidation or something else? That is the Three of Cups in reverse. Now, usually the Three of Cups is people together and they're having a good time. And like in reverse, let me see if I can get some pictures, something from the pictures. So this is like three people or several people out, you know, having a good time with the it could be drinking or whatever else. So it's in reverse. So what is the purpose? Surveillance, intimidation, or something else? Now in reverse, that isn't a very happy, and it's not very celebrating. It's like a quite you know, I would say that would be an intimidation. Wow, I wonder if the helicopters would be to keep people away or something, with that Three of Cups in reverse, and surveillance, like watching as well, to keep people away. UFO, dealing with the UFO phenomena with that star man. Okay, that's what I wonder. Keep people away from these weird things when they happen. Then the helicopters come and surveillance, you know, making sure people don't get too close to the thing. That's what I'm thinking, to the event. So are black helicopters linked to paranormal or cryptid events? Whoa, the King of Swords. I would say yes. And I would also say that it is to deal with like CIA or some of the three-letter agencies. The King of Swords there. Are black helicopters linked to paranormal or cryptid events? I would say yes. You see that? And look at that, and I don't know if you can see that, but it's looks like an alien, and maybe it crashed. Is that oh, let me just look at this right quick, guys, because I have to take off my glasses to see. I mean, that could be like a crashed ship. I can't really see what that looks like there, but yeah, I would think that they are linked to cryptid events. And I mean, look at that monkey and stuff. That's kind of like a cryptid. So yeah, I would say that they are linked to cryptid events and UFO. With that, I mean, the King of Swords, that would be like intelligence with the, because you know, swords are thoughts and words, and that would be intelligence. I wonder if that is like the intelligence agency, one of them. So how much truth is there to conspiracy theories surrounding black helicopters? Let's just see. Are the conspiracy theories correct when they say, you know, black helicopters always come during or after a UFO or cryptid sightings? Let's see, how much truth is there to the conspiracy theories surrounding the black helicopters? The Eight of Cups in reverse. Now, usually the Eight of Cups is walking away from, but this, you know, with that, how much truth is it? I wonder if this is just like the stories keep circulating and circulating, you know, because Eight of Cups would be like returning. But I would say that there is truth to it because of that King of Swords right there. That's what I would say, but that's my own opinion, of course. So I'm going to do what I usually do and ask the pendulum. So I'm going to use Esme because I like to use her for our Freaky Fridays. Esme, I want to know, do black helicopters exist outside of the conspiracy theories? Do they, there are conspiracy theories about the black helicopters, but do they exist for other reasons? Do they exist for any other reason besides the conspiracy theories? Whoa. Okay. I'll give you a little kickstart, but that looked like you were going to know. So, is that the only reason that black helicopters exist? Because of these conspiracy theories? Yes, look. And I did say, do they exist outside of the conspiracy theories? And look, it's going to know. So, are black helicopters real? Yes. And people see them after UFOs and, let's see. Are they operated by a known government agency, please? Give you a little kickstart. Are they operated by a known government agency, please? Whoa, that's going straight to yes. Okay, are black helicopters used to cover up UFO activities? Still going to yes, guys. Look at that swinging. Yeah, they're for covering up the black helicopters are for covering up UFO activities. So are they connected to cryptid or paranormal events? Are black helicopters connected to cryptid events, please? Are black helicopters connected to cryptid events? Whoa, yes. And it's a paranormal events? How about paranormal events? Yes. Whoa. So, is their existence deliberately kept secret from the public? That's still going to yes, guys. Look. Okay, so their existence is kept secret from us. So if you've ever had a black helicopter experience or know somebody who has, please share it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more allegedly strange tales. Thank you so much for your support. Stay curious and stay strange, my friends, and I will see you on the next one.